Hi guys, here is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. 1 year later, this iPhone it is released in 2019. Now I'm going to unbox mine in 2020. So here is the first look of brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. As you can see, here it is, the brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. It comes with charger and some papers and Apple logo inside the box. So here is the actual iPhone 11 Pro Max. So there is different different things we want to look in the next video. If you want to see full review on this phone, please consider subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. See you next. Thank you.